Yes, so Nikhilam,
Good evening, sir.
method of division. Yes, Anita, any doubts? So last time
No, sir.
I was in hurry, so we did only single digit numbers. So now we'll be
Yes,
doing
sir.
it, and double digit we just did one.
Okay.
है ना? Okay, I'll repeat again so that
Okay, sir.
if still any doubt is there, we'll go ahead. And suppose this is to be divided by 95. Yes, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First is 1,
Complement of
1, 0, 2, 3.
20.
And we'll have a line before
23.
23 because we have two digits. So 95, what is the complement now?
5.
5, 0.
Yes, 0, 5 we'll write, not only 5 separate. So 1 will go down as it is.
Yes, sir.
So 0,
0 and 5. Next.
5. So first we'll get 1, again 0 and 5. So that we get 5 over here. So again 0 and 25. Correct. So I have 28 and 7. So that means 7 and these two goes there. So 98. Now 98 is bigger than your divisor 95. So 195 can be deducted. So the question will become 116 and remainder will become 3. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Clear?
सर 0 फिर एक बार.
Yes. क्या हुआ स्मिता?
1 0 5 मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे ना?
हाँ.
0 5 यानी 1 का.
So 5 into 0 is 0. 5 into 5 is 25. So 25 plus 3 is 28. और यहाँ पे 2 plus 5 is 7. So now balancing, this 2 will go towards 7. It becomes 98. 98 is bigger than 95. So we subtract 95 from it and we add 1 to the quotient part. Okay, so you do one question so that your doubts are clear. First, I'll give you a very small 2307 divided by 96. Please solve.
Sir, 24 question 3 is the remainder.
Yes, others? Yes, what is the question and what is the reminder? Smita, Anita, Jerry. Yes, Jerry, how are your classes going on?
It's going fine, sir, actually.
Great.
By God's grace and your
You've not shared me any recording or anything.
I'll definitely share you, sir.
I got some inquiries today from Ernakulam also. One school.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah, what is the answer? Smita, Anita.
Sir, 23 and
How 23? Anita, dinner?
सर मैं 5 मिनट तक देती हूँ सर, बस थोड़ा सा काम रह गया मेरा.
मुझे पता था. Smita, see here. 2, 3. It's very simple. How you got 23 only? I don't understand. 96. So you get 0, 4 as a complement. 2 goes down as it is. So 0. 4. 3.
Sir,
0.
4 2s are 8.
Sorry.
4 2s are 0 8.
Sorry, sir. Yes. 0, 12. So 99. Now 9 is 98. Yes, Smita. 99 आ गया, तो 99 is bigger than 96.
90. Yes.
So see, what is being done is 99, if it is there, you just try, see, it can again be divided by 96, na? So if 99 is divided by 96, it gives 1 as a quotient and remainder as 3. So that 1 quotient is added here. So quotient becomes 24 and remainder becomes 3. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
बिल्कुल clear है ना? Okay. One more, because once we'll move to bigger numbers, then ये छोटी छोटी चीजें you should yes, Jerry, what about you?
Yes, sir. Got it.
97686 divided by 97. Please do it. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, Sweetie, Anita, Smita, Jerry.
Sir, I just made a mistake. I'm correcting. I was just
Okay,
finding
okay.
out. I'll just.
Done. Yes, Kopal, we are revising the earlier topic only.
Yes, sir.
So this we did that day also.
Yes,
Try,
sir.
try once. If not, I'll solve it.
45. Yes, I got it. Just a sec. What my mistake? The quotient is 1007. Remainder is also 7.
Reminder is
7.
correct.
Hmm.
Yes, Smita.
सो मेरे को एक बार दोबारा से समझा दो।
कौन सा क्वेश्चन?
यही वाला सर।
पहले वाला कर लिया?
नहीं सर।
ये तो परसों भी कराया था।
तो किया
ध्यान नहीं देते हो, होमवर्क करते नहीं हो अब आप। So 9, 7, 6, 8, 6. Since 2 digits are there, a line would be coming here.
So 0, 3, 9 as it is. 9 multiply 0, 0.
So 0,
9 3 the 20, sir.
27.
Yes, sir.
So 7, again
As it is.
0,
33.
33. So पहला काम तो we'll settle this only.
Yes, sir.
And now
21.
so 7, 0. Right.
Yes, sir.
Again 0 and
Yes, sir.
99.
33, 29, sir. Okay.
Right.
105. 21.
So 105.
29.
So first thing is balance this.
Yes, sir.
So 5, 39.
And 10 39, sir.
So 395. Now 395 can be further divided by 97. So that we'll
Yes,
do
sir.
once. First this 3,
3,
0.
10, 0, 10.
So this is there. Correct?
Yes.
Now, yes, Kopal, up till here, any doubt? Smita?
Sir, how did 21 come?
7, this 7 is multiplied by 0. 0 goes here. and 7 is also multiplied by 3, that 21.
Acha, we are first, okay, first we are multiplying 7 and 3 and then again, okay. Acha. Okay, okay, ठीक है.
Now 395 can be further divided by 97. So if you see 97 fours are 8, 28, 9, 38. Right? So that 4 would be added here and the remainder would be 7. Clear?
Yes.
Or any doubt? Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
चलो स्मिता आप बोले बीच में नहीं बता रहे हो क्या हुआ?
सर मुझे आप समझ में आया वो 7 और
तो क्यों नहीं
33
पूछ रहे फिर?
multiply
Why
करना।
don't you ask? होमवर्क कैसे किया था आपने फिर?
वो सिंगल डिजिट का था ना इसीलिए।
डबल डिजिट का भी मैंने एक कराया था कल एग्जाम्पल। चलो so first let's do 96, 23101 divided by 96.
Sir, quotient is 239 and the remainder is 56.
Wrong.
240. 240 is the quotient.
And reminder,
Sir, 240.
63.
wrong. How can we have 3 at the last?
No, it's 41. So it's 1. Just complete it. So it's
Yes, Smita.
61, sir.
Yes, Anita.
61.
Sir, remainder मेरा 56 आ रहा है sir.
6 कैसे आ जाएगा? 1 है.
तो मेरा तो 49 ही है, 49
हर क्वेश्चन मैं करूंगा तो आप प्रैक्टिस कब करोगे?
40 and 60.
होमवर्क कोई करता नहीं है. Two as it is 0, 8, 3,
57.
0, 12. So 9. Again 0.
Sir, sorry, sir.
32, sir.
First, we'll multiply 2 with 4 and we'll write here. And we will not take it to the quotient part. Now we will just seize it here.
No, let me tell you. First 2 comes down. Correct? Now this 2 is multiplied by both. This also, this also.
Yes, sir, that understood.
Right? So the tens part that goes here,
Hmm.
and the unit part goes further.
Here, yes, sir.
Correct. Same will apply. Now 3 comes, so 3 into 0 is 0,
Zero.
and 3 into
0
4
and
is
12.
12.
Okay.
36.
Then it becomes
तो 0
9.
and 12
So
इधर हो
9
गया.
into
हाँ.
0 and 36.
तो 9 into 0, 4, तो इसका that would be 036. अच्छा नहीं, only 36. Because it's not. ठीक है,
आप
ठीक.
ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, 33 इधर कर दो, क्योंकि बाद में भी वही आएगा, बट दैट विल क्रिएट अ कंफ्यूजन फॉर यू. इसीलिए सेपरेट डिजिट, सेपरेट पोजीशन रखते हैं इनिशियली हम. सी इट्स, यू कैन बैलेंस आफ्टर दिस,
हाँ जी.
सो इट बिकम्स 157. So 96 अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 157 में से, so how much is the answer? 61.
Yes,
And 239 plus 1 करेंगे तो it becomes 240.
So why we are adding 1?
Why? Because this was 157. So
अच्छा, okay.
quotient for 157 is 1. So that quotient is added into this, no? And remainder is left. Yes, Smita?
Yes, sir.
See why I'm focusing on this thing. This is important part, reminder. Further, you'll be getting so many confusions in this. Some will come positive, some will come negative. So be very careful in reminder. Any doubt now?
Sir, ये 1 का concept I have not understood, sir. +1 वाला.
कौन सा +1? कोई बात नहीं. देखो अब ये 157 आ गया.
हाँ जी.
हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या था? सॉरी, डिवीजर क्या था?
296.
96. क्या ऐसा कभी हो सकता है कि रिमाइंडर डिवीजर से बड़ा हो?
नहीं, नहीं.
तो क्या करोगे? दोबारा उसको डिवाइड नहीं करोगे?
हाँ.
तो अब क्वेश्चन क्या आया?
1's something. हाँ.
रिमाइंडर क्या
One.
आया?
-96. 157 minus 96. Okay.
So अब ये क्वेश्चन सिर्फ इसका है,
हाँ, तो उसमें ऐड हो जाएगा. ठीक है,
तो
ठीक है,
ये
ठीक है.
टोटल
sir.
क्वेश्चन
आपको-
उसमें ऐड हो, राइट?
हाँ, हाँ. Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
is it clear? So what do we do?
Yes.
Now we don't again do division. We don't show over here division. What we do? We
हाँ, हाँ.
subtract 96 or multiples of 96. Correct? Now is it clear? Yes, Smita? I hope this is clear now.
Yes.
One more. Because until and unless your doubts are clear, will not move further. (97) 15821 divided by 97. Now, Kopal, this should come correct.
So 163 10 remainder.
Yes, Anita, Smita, Kopal, Jerry. Answers from all of you this time.
Sir, 163 and 10 remainder, sir.
Okay. Yes, Kopal. स्मिता क्या हुआ?
सर 163 10 रिमेन 204 आ गया
ओके
सर
कोपल
हाँ।
आपका रह गया।
और 204 माइनस
सर shall I solve with you? एक बार मुझे फिर समझ में आ जाएगा मैं कहाँ गलती कर रही हूँ.
बोलो।
So 1 will be as it is. Like we'll first of all divide 21 पे line बन
Okay.
जाएगी. Then 97 plus 3. So 1 will be as it is. Now 1 will be multiplied by 0, 3. So under 5, 0 will come. Under 8, 5 will come. Sorry, 3 will come.
Okay.
Okay, now this 5 and this 11. Now 5 would be multiplied by 3.
बस 0 नहीं मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप?
So कौन सा 0? नहीं, हाँ नहीं, that is 5 will be multiplied by 0, 3. So under 8 and 3 will write 0 and under 2 will write 15.
Correct.
Okay, now again this is 8 plus 3 is 11. Now 11 would be multiplied by 0, 3. So it's going to be 33 here. 0 would be here and 33 would be here.
Perfect.
Okay, now we'll be adding it. So this would be 11 and this would be 17 and this would be 34.
Correct.
Okay, now we'll be balancing it. So it will be 4 and 7 plus 3, 10 and it will be 204 here, the remainder part.
yes
Now it would be 2, like 97 into 2 is 194. So 10 would be the remainder. And here would be, we would be adding 2, 161 plus 2.
160
So where is the doubt?
no
I don't know.
It is correct.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. Right. So now we'll be going for base 1000. Same thing remains, only you have to be careful. Now you have to multiply 3 with 3 digits, right? So we'll practice for this also. But remember, this is only one type of division where you have divisor less than the base. So still long way to go. But it's very easy. And if I have to divide it by 9, 9, 7. So how will I take? First thing is 4. So 0, 0, 3. Any doubt up till here first? So can you complete? Try.
Sir, 42 quotient remainder is 436.
Okay.
No, sir.
ठीक होगा, मैंने देखा ही नहीं. करो करो अभी.
Okay.
आपके पास बहुत कुछ है बताने, उसमें चेक करने के लिए.
सर मैं वही करने लगी हूँ.
वो जरूरी है, अभी तक आप कर नहीं रहे हो. जितना नंबर बड़ा होता जाएगा उतना आसान होता चला जाएगा. Yes, what is the quotient?
42, sir.
42 क्वेश्चन आते हैं.
Reminder?
442.
3 30.
So 334.
No. Yes, Gopal?
So 334 is the remainder.
I think 400 something होना चाहिए.
442.
Yes, Smita?
तो 432.
Okay, see again. 4
4
0 0 12.
12. Yes.
So 2
2 0 0 6.
and this is your answer. See how easily we can find out if but
तो
the
6 आएगा. सर 3 2 का 6 नहीं होगा यहाँ पे 8 लिखा है सर.
sorry
तो वो 12 हो जाएगा फिर. 442.
so that is your answer. 42 is your quotient and 442 is your remainder. So इसको देर क्यों लग रहा है हमारा? Yes. Why we are taking some more time? Okay. Let's do one more. 9 3 6 7 8 divided by 7. That's all.
अभी
93 क्वेश्चन 957 रिमाइंडर.
90.
93 sir
Okay.
and 957 is remainder sir.
So now is it clear? How easy
Yes,
it
sir.
is?
sir, what is
Yes,
the
sir.
answer? 93 is the quotient and remainder is
957.
9
Yes. Smita,
957 and 93. Yes, sir.
अब easy है?
Yes, sir. 957.
Great.
Sir, just a question. While balancing, sir, we are just keeping single number at matlab one place only, na?
Yes.
Because now this is the 1000 wala base, so we are
Nine.
not going to give two numbers or something.
See. Balancing, we are not. That was one thing was that was we were doing multiplication, and we were comparing it with the base. Here we are not comparing anything with the base. Yes, I'm just discussing case wise when the numbers become bigger. Otherwise, there is no role of keeping those numbers as unit place as a bigger number. Now, when we did 101 also 1001, at that time we were keeping unit place as a 2-digit number. So that at that time you have to see. Otherwise, in entire Vedic mathematics, you will be balancing with 1 digit only. Okay, same question. 889. Yes.
So 105 quotient, 333 remainder.
Okay. Yes, Gopal, what is your answer?
102 is the quotient and
102.
310 is the remainder.
No. 105 is a quotient. Now you check where you go wrong. Okay, what is the complement of 889?
Triple one.
Then,
111.
yes, so then you should not make any mistake.
सर 102 आता है ना?
105.
So please show the sum once.
सर रिमाइंडर 300 आता है क्या?
333.
हाँ, just the time.
One, 9 as it is. 9, 9, 9. 12, 12. Then 12 as it is. 12, 12. 27.
So 102.
Yes, sir. 27, 28,
28. 20.
So this 12 will whole not be multiplied with 111.
See,
It will not be 111 multiplied by 12.
yes, it can be. I'll tell you that way.
So that is what mine is coming
No,
442. So I have
but
given 442.
just try to understand. Then when it was here in this question, it was 11. Then also you could have done 3 here, 3 here. I'll tell you. Just give me one
So will
second.
come if
Just give me 1 second. You don't get confused. So this is 0, 30, 0,
30.
3000. correct? So 8 and
Yes, sir.
9, now you can calculate. Now let's talk about what you were telling me.
So 3 पे जाएगा.
आप कह रहे हैं if this is directly multiplied by 12,
Yes, sir.
yes, you can do it.
So
It
it's
is
442.
it is this, but how will you manage this every time? Because we have followed the practice. Now this is 1332,
Hmm.
where you will keep 1, where you'll keep 2. See, now this 12, 12, 12.
Sir, 1, 3 and 2 can't be kept like here.
No,
Like
it can
1
be
under.
kept. It can be kept 1, 3, 2 and 2. It can be kept. But every time you'll get confused. So that is the reason we have made it very clear. I'll show you first one example, the previous example, then you decide. Okay, this was done 1, 5. Let me come back here. At second position, when 5 was multiplied by 3. Now, if I see what is 0, 3 multiplied by 5,
1 5.
it is 1, 5, na? Yes, Kopal.
Yes, yes, sir.
So in that case, we should have written 1 here and 5 here. And this happens also. Later also we are giving here only, na? But the problem is then entire time in every sum you'll get confused because 1 is
Yes, we
here.
have bigger number to calculate multiplication.
That
Would be a
bigger
bigger
number
procedure.
is something not difficult. Now 1 is going before the line, 5 is after the line, and again now you got 12. Okay, so 12 3s are 36. So that means you should have added 3 here, 6 here directly.
Hmm.
Then again you'll be getting confused where to write 3 and where to write 6. So that is the reason I told you what we are doing right now is place wise multiplication. These are two place values, unit place, tens place, unit place, and we are multiplying separately. 15 separate, 0 separate. That's all, so that there is no confusion at all. Otherwise, if you once you practice 10 questions, you can do it. But the only problem comes here when one number is to be coming before the line and one after the line. Then you get confused. See here it would, because entire scene would change. Now it would be 162 initially only. So only one would be added later on. So here the figure would be something different and then finally it will come the same. So not to get confused, use place wise multiplication. Okay. So we did this. I'm just changing the question. If it is 9889. Yes, Kopal, Smita, Sweetie. This was
3000 का ये किससे आ गया?
क्या हो गया स्मिता?
क्या आंसर आ गया? रिमाइंडर क्या आ गया? 105 एंड रिमाइंडर क्या है?
माइनस करिए 105 कैसे लिया आपने? 889 into 3 किया 2667. So what is 2667 minus 333? सही है.
ओके ओके.
So 9 question 4 6 7 7
Yes, others?
So remainder is 92697. Sorry, it's 92679.
What is the quotient?
9.
That's all. Then you'll be able to find the remainder. Four, 6, 7, 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Gopal.
Sir, please solve this again once.
What happened, Siddhi?
No, sir, to be on low energy, sir, just try. Yes, I'll figure out this.
Right? So 9
0.
as it is. Here it was 9.
Then 0. 0, 9, 9, 9.
Yes, got it.
17, 16, 15, 3.
So we have the answer with us. 17. Again,
Yes, sir, got it.
7, 6, 4. Bigger the number, easier is the solution. Everything is going in reminder. Yes, Gopal, is it clear now, Smita?
Yes, sir, clear.
एक क्वेश्चन लास्ट करते हैं. Divided by
Sir, 99 is the quotient
Okay.
and the remainder is 8176.
$99. Yes, Gopal. Yes, Mita. So now I'll teach you a very easy trick, very easy concept after this. So all are tired.
सर रिमाइंडर 8185 आता है क्या?
8166.
सर एक्चुअल ऐसे 816 है, पर अगर इसको रिमाइंडर है उससे करे तो थोड़ा डिफरेंस कभी कभी होता है ना सर? व्हेन यू टेक इन द डेसिमल फॉर्म्स इट्स डिफरेंट, राइट?
Sorry, come again.
Sir, I'm asking like when we take in general this balancing normally, so we get the quotient as 8176. But if we take it in the decimal form, sometimes the answer changes, right?
No.
No.
How?
Can I check this with a calculator?
You
It says
can.
99.
Quotient will never
996879.
change. It would be always.
No, sir. Sir, I'm talking about the remainder.
See, remind.
Because now when I
No.
Huh.
Just understand one thing. Okay. Let's come to a very simple question. 7 divided by 2. So quotient is 3. Remainder is 1. And if you divide 7 by 2, it is 3.5.
So if I'm checking this sum through the calculator,
Yes.
it's 996879
Don't,
divided by 9. So the
you're not getting my point. I'm saying, let's be very
yes,
simple.
yes, I got it. Yeah, simple.
So it is
0.5 or like
3.5.
you 3.5, right, sir?
And here I am getting quotient as 3. Remainder
As
as
1.
So this will always
yeah.
be same. This would depend on this can
My
never
question
be
was
same.
that only, sir. Yeah, I am telling the question will be same. The remainder part I was asking, sir. उसमें थोड़ा कभी-कभी point changes आता है.
थोड़ा क्या 100% change रहेगा वो same हो ही नहीं सकता.
That was only my question because when I got 8166 was when I checked ना कि answer check कर लेते calculator then 8176
वो check ऐसे नहीं होता.
so my
वो check ऐसे नहीं होता. वो check ऐसे होता है. I'll tell you.
2 digit sum से ना sir? हाँ इसका 2 digits.
नहीं.
Digit sum calculation नहीं?
नहीं let
No.
आपने check करना है ना. I'll tell you. 9987 को 99 से करिए. What is the answer?
रिमाइंडर ऐड कर दिए.
और रिमाइंडर को ऐड कर लो या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो ऊपर तो रिमाइंडर आ
हाँ वो तो समझ में. So but again that is a longer procedure like तो digit sum से check नहीं होता है.
डिजिट सम से भी जब चेक करेंगे तो भी क्या है what is a dividend it is always quotient into divisor plus remainder
Yeah.
so that way it will come now is it clear
Yes sir.
Chalo, a very easy now a small trick kind of concept is there general formula for division by 9 right Now we all know up till 180. 3 digits we know. 2 digits everybody is clear. So let's be taking some bigger number. Let us assume first number. Okay. 7. Now this is a 3-digit number. The quotient would be always A plus B. But remember, this is a balancing line. This you are, so this is not possible in normal maths. Because there we don't know the concept of balancing. Remainder is equal to A plus B plus C. So what is A? A is your first digit. B is your middle digit here. C is this. So
10.
if I put over here, quotient is 2 and 2 plus 1, that is 3. So quotient is 23. And what about remainder? Remainder is 10. Again, there is a problem. Now remainder cannot be more than 9. So
Quotient
remainder
is
will be 1 and the quotient will be 24.
20.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Find out for 242.
$26 and $8.
Yes, Kopal. Did you get the answer or did you understand? This was a simple trick. Just to relax yourself, because then again a tough. So 2, 6. So that is 26. And for reminder, it is 6 plus 2, 8. Now 8 is less than 9, so hardly matters, right? Okay. Again, 2, 4. If it 2, 6. Now it is 4-digit number. So again, 2 plus 4. See how it works. A plus B. And in the third, it is A plus B plus C. Right, very easy concept. A plus B, A plus C. 5 digits, it will add one more on the next term. So 2, 6, 8. Now, reminder is, this is 8 plus 6, 14. So 14 is bigger. So again, reminder would be 5. And
And the 269 quotient.
there 1 would be added. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, solve one. But this trick can be taught to any child, and they will be very happy in this, because division is difficult and dividing by 9 generally comes.
So 1371. Remainder
Yes. Remainder as?
so 6.
Okay. Yes, Kopal.
So be it 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, remainder will always be A plus B plus C.
No. See, if it is 5-digit, quotient would be 1 less. A plus B plus A plus B plus C. और 4th D भी आएगा ना.
A plus, that तो I know sir.
So
Sir, for
फिर
remainder.
वो लास्ट डिजिट सिर्फ लास्ट डिजिट छोड़ते हैं ना क्वेश्चन में.
नहीं सर, रिमाइंडर के लिए सर पूछ
मैं
रही
वही
हूँ.
बात बता रहा हूँ. That is what I am telling you now.
Okay sir.
So 4 digits आ गए. This value plus E.
Plus E. Okay.
Last value means. So जब 3 था तो A, 2 था तो A plus B plus C. Means all the digits you have to add. If you cannot remember like this, add all the digits.
All the digits. Right.
Quotient would be one less digit and remainder would be all the digits.
So क्वेश्चन 137 आता है क्या?
1371 आता है स्मिता.
वो रिमाइंडर का 1 ऐड नहीं होता क्या 7 में?
मैं बता रहा हूँ. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. और ये 10. तो इसका क्या आ गया? 1 3 7 0. अब 10 plus 1 15 आ गया आपका रिमाइंडर. So 15 is greater. So it is 6. और वहां एक ऐड हो गया. तो क्वेश्चन becomes 1371. स्मिता बहुत छोटी छोटी गलतियां कर रहे हो आप.
हाँ, मैं जीरो देना भूल गई.
नहीं, भूलना नहीं है और इतनी देर नहीं लगती है इन क्वेश्चंस में. You have to understand. Clear? Any doubt left? So one question you do so that we'll move further. 786 divided by 9.
So 754 remainder 0.
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt now?
No, sir.
Yes, Kopal, you got the answer? Smita?
Yes sir.
Chaliye.
750.
Okay, then again back to the second concept of division, and that is known as division by Parvatya Sutra. Now Parvatya Sutra means by adjustment. It is transpose and apply or transpose and adjust. Now adjustment means basically the function goes like this. The sign, either the space changes, direction changes, or the sign changes. Now this is for the numbers when you have divisor above the base. Let's take an example. If you are asked to divide 111 by 12. Now, what is 12? It is more than the base. Earlier, what numbers were we getting? 9, 8, 7 in single, then 99, 88, 77. Those all were below the base. So that was being solved by our Nikhilam method. We were finding the complement and we were doing the things. Here, the divisor is above the base. Now here in this case, base is 10 and the number, the divisor is 12. So how will we solve here? First thing, now we don't have to see that these are two numbers. It is considered as one digit only because the base is 1. So up till here, any doubt? Now, how much is it excess? It is 2
Minus
excess.
02.
But here we will write in negative, -2. No, we don't have to write 02, not required. Yes, so this is transpose and apply. It was basically bigger. Remember your multiplication. If it was 12 multiplied by something, so 12 means number minus base. So we were writing +2, but here it is negative. We are writing transpose and apply. This is more. So we are adjusting. We are writing the number as negative, though it was coming positive. Right? Rest procedure remains the same. 1 multiplied by 2 negative, it gives 2 bar. So that means 1 bar. 1 into 1, 2. So my quotient is, yes, 1 bar. What is 1 bar? 10 minus 1, 9. And my there is 3. Yes, 12 nines are 108 plus 3 is 111. Any doubt? Yes, tell me. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, try one question. 3, 7, 6, 4 divided by 13. So what is the answer?
तो 2811 क्वेश्चन आता है
Okay.
नहीं 68 रिमाइंडर
Wrong. Yes, Kopal.
So 28 is the quotient and 88 is
How
no,
do-
88 can't be. No, 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 no.
Quotient should be 3 digit. Yes, sweetie. अनीता, जेरी
सब
कोई
तो-
आंसर नहीं दे रहे हो आप?
291 आता है क्या क्वेश्चन
नहीं,
291
289 or 1 remain.
The 292.
एक एक नंबर बोलते रहो। बिल्कुल नहीं, ऐसे नहीं याद मुझे भी।
तो 4 में से 3 बार 6 बार कैसे माइनस होगा?
हाँ, इसे मैंने बोला था ये नेगेटिव आएंगे यहाँ। चलो लेट मी
Yes,
सॉल्व।
sir.
कोपल इधर देख, उसमें कुछ गलती आएगी, मैं बता देता हूँ भाई।
गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म दो।
So 9 bar. So that means 2 bar.
Yes, sir. Then 6.
So ये आ गया 12, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now 12 into 3 is 36.
3 बार
3 बार 6
So क्या आया? 3 बार
32 आता है
2 बार।
2 bar.
ओके, पहले ये सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। दिस इज 3, 1 बार 2, 302 minus 10 कितना आया? 292।
Yes, sir.
Up till here any doubt?
No.
Yes, Kopal, did you get 292?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sweetie.
Yes, sir.
Answer, I got the answer 289.
Now
Yes.
the point is
292.
here we have negative. Earlier we used to have positive here and we used to subtract. Yes. So positive tha to we used to subtract, negative hai to what we have to do?
We'll add.
We'll add. Now how much to add? See, we need a positive reminder. Can you have negative reminder?
No.
So how much should be added ki this becomes positive? If I add
The same
13,
amount.
if I add 13, it will not work. If I add 26, it will not work. If I add 39, so 13 threes are 39. If I add, what I'll get? 7. Correct? So 3 added here means 3 subtracted here.
-3.
Totally reverse. Earlier portion reminder was positive, so we used to subtract, and here we used to add. Now reminder is negative, so we have to add the reminder. And since reminder is being in reminder, we are adding, we have to subtract here. Clear? Yes, Anita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Smita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, कहने से स्मिता बात नहीं बनेगी. You have to do it, otherwise you'll be in confusion again and again. So this question is not in the book, but why I gave you, so that this confusion should go off. Let's do one more. Please do. Yes, any doubt? Yes, sweetie, what is the answer? Smita, Anita.
So 9 comes down as it is. 4 9s is bar 36. So please help out if I'm going wrong. Because यहाँ पे 3 bars का conversion.
Uppal, what happened? Chalo. Okay, see now. Now, 9 into 4 is
bar
36.
30.
36.
what is
Bar
left?
20.
28
Bar
bar
28.
8 bar.
bar 8.
So sweetie, we have to go step by step. That's all, nothing. Now,
12.
again, multiplication I'll be doing place wise only. 4 into 2 is 8.
112 so
12 कहां से आ गया? 8 4 जा 32.
तो मैंने 28 को 4 से किया सर।
क्यों?
नहीं करना है ना प्लेस
फिर वो आप फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे। कर लो, जैसे अभी तक नहीं किया तो आगे भी हम नहीं करेंगे ना। We
Okay,
keep
sir.
on taking step by step. Otherwise प्रॉब्लम फिर वही है। करने में हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट मुसीबत हमारी वही आ जाती है। 3 7 बार।
ये 8 पॉजिटिव कैसे आया सर?
2 bar 4 bar
2 बार 4 बार कैसे
multiplication.
होगा?
ओके
Now 703 minus 70 is
13 को भी तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4 से।
just hold. Okay, yes. Let me. I think yes, she was right. This is 20. Yes, she was right. I made a mistake. 28 into 4 is
So 4 into 2 and 8 into 4. So
नहीं
this would
नहीं
be like
नहीं वो
plus
गलत मेरे से गलती हुआ।
तो
हमें
102.
96 आएगा ये। सॉरी
112 आता है ना सर?
1
1
हाँ 112 आता है।
2. Now this is 117. वो एक्चुअली यहाँ पर 2 थे तब हम वो कर रहे थे। Now it is
हाँ,
correct, right? So now it would be
468 आता है। 68
6 8 but all negative,
okay.
right? So it's a big question because 468 will become 4 bar, 6 bar
6 bar
and 6 bar.
6 bar
Got it? Now solve it after this. अब हो जाएगा? That was a mistake. Yes,
28
Anita was
minus
correct.
11 was.
Anita
Yes sir,
was
मैंने भी वही किया था.
Anita
Okay,
was correct. that
9.
time.
yeah, sir, even I have done the same thing, but I just wanted to know the explanation why we have done this because earlier we were taking 4 into 2 and 8 into 4.
No.
Why?
Earlier there were 2 digits here.
Acha, here there were 2 digits. Okay. Acha. Okay, sir.
वही गलती मेरे से भी वही हुआ।
Sir, so it would be 9
Here-
bar.
Here,
Then
see, there
yeah,
it
it
is
should be
defined 2
17.
digits. Here it is not. We are
Sir,
taking as
understood,
a-
understood. So quotient is 737.
Just hold on.
1077 1077
एक मिनट। 7 बार और 1 बार आया पहले,
1 bar. Yes, sir.
ठीक है। फिर आ गया
And
8 7 बार
8 7.
7. Yes.
7. So 807 minus 70 is
So 737, it would be 7 bar would be 10 minus 7, it would be 3, and then this
3.
would be 8 minus 1.
so ये 737
737.
737 आ गया।
Yes, sir.
737
चलो
sir.
अभी ये इसको यहाँ स्टोर करो। Now 466. Now 14 के टेबल में when you will get 466
42 3 नंबर पे सर 33 पे
not तो
So
it
4,
should-
6 is such a higher number in compared to 14. Sir.
that is what I'm saying. That is what 4, so 33 नहीं आएगा. It would be ये 3
Around 20,
30 में आएगा.
30s. So तो बच्चों को कैसे समझाएंगे ये 30s?
ये
वाला
बच्चों को
concept?
कराते ही
It's
नहीं है,
again-
तभी तो ये कहाँ कराते हैं.
सब बड़ों को भी कराएंगे तो कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे.
होते रहे. अभी आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. देखो मैम, जो चीज मेथड है, वैदिक मैथ डिवीजन क्यों कोई नहीं कराता? बिकॉज वी आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट आवरसेल्फ. अभी ये जो नेगेटिव आया था, वी आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट.
तो पर इजी प्रोसेस भी नहीं है ना. थिंग इज दैट आल्सो लाइक स्कूल का.
I told you very clearly when we talk about division. So division में always go for doubling, halving, then division by 9 जो अभी किया, and division by 7. For kids it is sufficient. But yes, for seniors and teachers, the flag method can be used. But I have to teach all so that it should not remain like something was not taught earlier. These teachers are avoiding.
33.
Why they are avoiding? Because they don't want to face the difficulty. They don't want to face that heat. So I don't mind in this. So 33 times karna padega. That's what she's correct.
462. Yes.
Not even 33. It should be more than that.
34 सर तभी वो positive number
तभी
आएगा.
positive आएगा. So 34 into 14 is 476. Got it? Then only you. So that means 34 would be subtracted from here. So this will become 703, and this will become 10. Any doubt? The doubt is there. I see. We are not practiced. I'll say this. So just started. थोड़ा practice करोगे तो you will be able to do. All my students are doing, so not to worry. You will be able to do, but आपने you have not noted one thing. In multiplication, the questions were 20, 50, 30 given in the exercise, but here I've given more than 100 every time. Why? Because this needs more practice. Don't worry, we'll do. We'll do more practice, so everything would be sorted. One question more. You can write down these questions. At least take a screenshot of this and specifically this when it is negative. ये book में solve नहीं है ये. One thing. 101 divided by 13. Please solve this. Yes, do it. Yes, what happened? This you have to solve. I'll give you
Sir, quotient is 2773.
Okay. Yes, others. Two seven. Kopal.
No.
Oh,
2772.
Who gave this? See.
Sir, 1837 and
See.
question 1837.
Again cross. Both are cross. So this time you have to solve it.
Oh, s- 1823.
Wrong.
So 1777.
1837.
What happened? इतना टफ तो नहीं है. डिवीजन आते ही सब डर गए, घबरा गए. हम एक एक सिर्फ टॉपिक चल रहे हैं हर क्लास में. वेरी स्लो. ओके, लेट मी गिव यू. Yes, up till here.
Yes, sir, no problem. -6.
-6 bar 3.
So 3 bar, 9 bar.
10.
Why 9 bar?
Sorry. 9. 10.
10 आता है.
Sir, 10 हुआ ना,
So
11.
10 आता है. 9 plus 1 is 10.
ओह, आज सारी कैलकुलेशन ही गलत हो गई.
Then -30.
Bar 30. 90.
Then this is 90.
Bar 80.
बार तो आएगा ही नहीं अब. 91 आ
बार
गया.
नहीं आएगा. 90 हाँ
91
91
तो
आ
तो
गया इधर.
और
हाँ.
इजी हो गया क्वेश्चन.
Zero, sir.
बस सॉर्ट आउट
सर
करो.
यहाँ तक तो आ गया सर.
तो फिर इसके बाद लगाओ, इसमें वो लगाओ अपना विनकुलम.
हाँ तो सर 0 बार तो 10 - 0 10 ही हो जाएगा ना सर.
कैसे?
सर दिस इज सर ये
This is-
बार 0 नहीं होगा.
क्यों 0 क्यों? 10 नंबर है ना ये. 10 में से 3 गया 7.
तो सर इसका 0 नहीं, इसका जो 0 बार है 330 है ना. तो सर 3 बार 0 बार नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होगा.
तो चलो
No,
0 बार को
1, 3,
0 लिखो
7,
या बार
0.
लिखो.
सॉरी.
So इस पे लगाओ अब 2370 पे.
7. So 7 times. So 2, it's like 1770, and this time it's 7 on this side.
Yes.
So answer 1777.
1770 and 13. Now 13 के टेबल में 91 कब आएगा? उतना सब्ट्रैक्ट
7
कर दो.
times.
7
So add
times.
करेंगे. Positive है remainder.
पॉजिटिव है. हाँ.
ऐड करेंगे, वही बता रहा हूँ. 97. So full 0.
तो पलंग में डालना है क्या?
To add it.
डाल देना पड़ेगा.
So there is no reminder at all. Yes, Kopal. स्मिता, क्या हुआ?
पता नहीं सर, आप करते हो तो सब सही लगता है।
आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हो गोपाल, ये मानना पड़ेगा आपको। मैंने आपको उस दिन भी बोला, जस्ट सी द फेसबुक ग्रुप। वो जो बैच था ना मेरा, वो दे यूज्ड टू कंप्लीट द होमवर्क बाय 12। 11 क्लास खत्म होती थी, बाय 12 दे यूज्ड टू कंप्लीट द होमवर्क। सो डेडिकेट। one lady was from Chennai, one from Coimbatore, one from Bangalore, and 2 others were
फ्रिज के ऊपर रख दे या पचा रहे बाद में बच्चों के सामने।
वो जब तक आप नहीं करोगे प्रैक्टिस। एक और क्वेश्चन देता हूं, चलो। Very simple question. 1 9 6 2. This time I have triple 1. Correct? 3 figures. So 1 bar, 1 bar. Now 2. So this goes there. Up till here, any doubt?
No sir.
1 as it is. 1 bar, 1 bar. 8, 8 bar, and 8 bar. So solve करें अगर, so 6 bar, 8 and 6 14, and 1 13. So 1 3 6 bar. Sorry, this is also 8 bar.
Sir 9 and 6.
नहीं, this is 8 bar.
Sir 9 bar and 6.
Yes, वो मैंने 8 के ऊपर बार दिखाया। 9 bar, so this becomes 3 bar.
3 bar.
Now you know 36 में पॉजिटिव करना है तो क्या करेंगे?
40,
Yes,
44,
किससे 4?
11 bar 11 ना।
बार नहीं 11 ही 11 ही।
You are not to compare with 11.
Okay.
You are to compare with,
Triple 1.
Triple
yes.
1.
So triple 1 add कर दो 36 में.
Okay.
What is the answer? 75. और वहां पर एक लेस कर दो, 17. Clear or not? Yes, Gopal, what happened? Okay, try one simple question. 1 1 2 9. I'm not putting line also, that is your wish. 108 is this. Please solve. Yes, Gopal, what happened?
The quotient is 10.
Reminder.
So 47 आ रहा है, wrong आ रहा है sir.
सब कैलकुलेटर से चेक कर रहे हो, क्या करूं?
कैलकुलेटर से नहीं, मैंने कॉपी पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन की है सर, पर रॉन्ग आ रही है.
कोई बात नहीं. उसको रति नहीं हुआ. चलो, लेट मी डू. यस स्वीटी.
Yes, I'm doing.
No, it was not that much difficult.
It's not difficult. Yeah.
Let me complete. 1.
Yeah, so first I didn't put a bar 0, then I took a 0. So
Okay,
sorry, I
0.
got my mistake.
Any doubt up till here?
Eight
Yes.
bar से 6 0 and 8 bar sir. 6 bar 1.
Sorry.
सर 6 आएगा.
Yeah. Yes, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Yes, Kopal, Smita.
Sir, sir, the 6 bar 1, may we are adding 108. So we'll be considering the whole number as negative only.
Which whole number?
This
No.
6 bar 1.
Have I considered this? I have added 1 plus 8 as 9.
So you are adding 100 and 108 to make it a positive number.
No, I have, okay. If you want like this, let's see, I have added this to make it positive because this is a vinculum number
Hmm.
with 6 bar and 1.
Hmm.
So 1 and 8 I have added and formed 9.
No, this I have understood, sir. But
Okay,
previously,
okay, oh, okay. Let's, if you say this is say 1 and this has 6 bar. Now is it correct? This now you are correct?
no, this is not the problem, sir. The
See,
problem is
try
that
to understand, this is one number.
Hmm.
I am adding 108. So this could be 9, 6 bar
Hmm.
and 1. Oh, sorry, 1. And 1. Up till here, any doubt?
No, sir.
So what is this? 109 minus 60.
Hmm.
So what is the answer? 49.
Hmm.
So I did directly 10 minus 6. That's all. Now is it clear? Convert to normal number.
No, sir, this was not my question. My question was, initially we were doing like in previous sums, we were taking like this was like both the numbers were negative. So we were converting both the numbers into positive.
So here it
But
is
here,
one.
one
Here
number
it
is
is one
negative.
number negative. Again, we cannot
So
have
then
one number.
also,
See, the point is that is what the vinculum number is. It may be both negative, it may be one positive, one negative,
okay.
but we cannot have any single negative.
Yes.
No issues. You just go through the video once again today. You'll understand. And otherwise, we have a class Thursday. Oh, sorry, Wednesday.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yes. स्मिता, देखो ये चीजें आएंगी. मैंने पहले ही बोला था जब, if you remember, I put a mark on reminder part and I said you'll find the problems when the number is both are negative, when one is negative. But just think over it. If we don't know vinculum number, is it possible to calculate this?
No, sir, not.
This you're finding it difficult because you're first time learning it. Like you, and the same happened in multiplication also. But then you were very much clear. Same you will be clear here also. Give one day at least to yourself. Practice today. Tomorrow you'll be fine. But practice, that you have to do. Now division cannot be verbal. Multiplication, scaring, cubing can be verbal, mental. Division can never be. So for that you have to practice more. Yes, Smita, Jerry, Anita,
No, sir, no doubt.
आंसर आया था ये वाला?
सर मैंने ना वो माइनस कर दिया था तो 49 ऐड करके आना था ना सर, बस ये कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है, माइनस करना है ऐड करना है.
चलो कोई बात, ठीक है, चलो.
Yes.
Okay, so just complete this exercise, then we'll be solved. Right? Okay, then good night.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar, sir.
Okay, sir.